Today, we're diving into Casio America's newest addition to their G-SHOCK lineup, the GBD-300 smartwatch from the G-Squad series. Designed for marathon runners and fitness enthusiasts, this smartwatch is packed with features to help you track your performance. The GBD-300 is a game changer with its sleek and compact design, making it more comfortable than ever. The textured band ensures a non-slip fit and prevents sticking, even during intense workouts. Plus, its durable build is water-resistant up to 20 bars, thanks to its two separate bezels that shield the main module from shocks. The high-contrast monochrome LCD display offers excellent visibility for time, date, and alarms, even in bright daylight. With features like 4 alarms, a countdown timer, a stopwatch, and 38 world times, this watch has everything you need for both daily use and rigorous training. One standout feature is the Memory in Pixel (MIP) LCD, protected by a raised bezel. The display can be automatically illuminated by the Super Illuminator LED light with a simple wrist tilt, making it easy to check your stats on the go. Tracking capabilities include monitoring distance, speed, pace, and calories burned for up to 100 runs. The Log View feature lets you see your step count for each day of the week or track your running distance for the month. With Bluetooth low-energy connectivity, you can sync the GBD-300 with your smartphone for notifications of calls, emails, calendar events, and social media posts. You can choose to have these notifications alert you with a sound or a vibration. The G-SHOCK Move app further enhances the watch's functionality, allowing you to create training plans, log data, and correct GPS distance. The GBD-300 series is available in black, white, and yellow. Measuring 48.9 by 47.4 by 14.9 mm and weighing just 60 grams, the GBD-300 is both lightweight and sturdy. It runs for 2 years on a CR2032 lithium battery, ensuring long-lasting performance without frequent battery changes. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest tech. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.